Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your BIOS version on PCSX2. But first of all, you have to watch my previous video on how to set up this emulator and install BIOS. I've already done that. I'm going to show you right here. When you go to Documents and you go to PCSX2 folder and go to BIOS, you can see I have all the BIOS downloaded right here. So if you want to change the BIOS and choose the latest version, this is how to do it. Launch the software, go to Settings and select BIOS. From here, you're going to see all the BIOS listed here. It's going to show you the region and the date and the version. As you can see right here, we have Europe, Japan, USA. So what you have to do is to check the one that is the latest. From this list, 2006 USA is the latest one right here. So when you click on it, you can now close it. It has already saved it. You don't need to apply anything. So we're going to go back to the BIOS. As you can see right here, it's set to USA 2026. So that's how you change your BIOS version on PCSX2. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.